Okay, mount your camera on a tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you walk in, then you make a seat. Use this knife to do as if you cut yourself. As if you cut yourself, oh, don't go and cut yourself. It's a magic you are trying to create. So after that, you wait for some few seconds, then you can now open your eyes, all right? And do as if you use your eyes to wipe out something imaginary. Look at that. Then after that, you can now walk out.
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
CapCut, new project now. Click on your video and then put it to workspace. Click it, go and locate volume. Click volume, reduce it to 0, mark on that good and go back. Now mark out where you want your video to start from, guys. At this point where I'm about cutting myself, I will click on the video now, then I will make a split. Make a split, delete the first part, we don't need it again. So at this point, click it and expound it a bit so that it will be more clearer, alright? After that now, then you mark anywhere, click on overlay. Click on overlay, add overlay. Import your green screen wound now, alright? Then you go and look for remove BG, mark on remove BG, chroma key, drag it up, increase intensity to 100, shadow to 50. But even at that, I'm still seeing some greens there. I'll mark on the good and go back and click on my green screen now. As you click on it, you go and look for adjust, guys. Look for adjust, okay? Click on adjust now, alright? As you click on adjust, you locate HSL, click on it. Mark on that green, reduce saturation to 0. You mark on the good and go back. So at this point now, you want to use your hand to adjust the wound now. Look at what I am doing. Adjust it and take it at the point of your hand. I take it at the point of that your hand where you're about cutting yourself. So after here now, mark on it. Go and look for mask, guys. Locate mask now, alright? As you locate mask, click on mask now. Click on mask. Click on rectangle, okay? Then you come and click on keyframe. Look at it. Then you adjust this one. You adjust it. Wipe out the wound now. Wipe it out. Then you adjust a little bit, all right? Immediately you cut yourself. Then you bring it back, okay? So look at the result now. As you mark on that good and go back, look at the result. Good. This is nice now. So what we are going to be doing next is we want to add that eyes, the eyes effect that you will use to wipe away the wound. So look at it. Look at what we are going to do now. Immediately you open your eyes here. So as you open your eyes, the next thing is to mark on this very arrow and go back. As you mark on that arrow and go back now, you click on effect. Click on effect, body effect. Allow it to load, okay? Allow it to load. Now it has load. Go and look for superstar. Look for superstar. Click on superstar, alright? I use this very first one. Click on that very first one now. Let's see. Look at it. The lights have appeared in your eye. Click on the effect and adjust it. Adjust it to the point where you used your eye to wipe away the wound, all right? So at this point now, this place, you want to click on that arrow and go back again. Then you go and look for mask. Locate mask, guys. Go and look for mask. Look for mask again. Click on mask now, all right? So you are going to do here gradually. As your eyes is coming, you are wiping away the wound. You wipe out the wound. Look at what I am going to be doing now. As your eyes is moving, you are wiping it out, all right? So you adjust the video again, all right? Immediately your eyes wipe it out, you adjust it, finish, okay? No, come back now, come back to that second keyframe, come back, they wipe it out completely. Mark on that good and go back. Let us see how it look now, all right? Let's see it again. Good. Now go and watch the video from the beginning. Let's see what we have got. We are going to be watching this video from the beginning. Good. Let's see how it plays, all right? This is not bad. Let's just wait for the eyes effect now and see whether that place is okay. All right. So the next thing now is to wipe it out. This is good. So at this point, your video is ready. Just click on this one and make a split. You click on the green screen and make a split as well. All right, delete this one as well. This video is ready now. What will be remaining here is for you to add your sound effect, your light effect, as the case may be. After that, you can now export your video. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. We want you to put us through. No problem. My number is at the description of this video. Go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how you are going to add your effects. And after that now, you click on export and export your video. Click on export. This video is exporting now. All right. Just calm down. The video is exporting. Now, this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. All right. Like, comment, share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. This is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.